Today's yoga practice is great for you to do when you're feeling stress, anxiety, worry, fear, all these negative energy weighing down on you. The sequence is going to help you to release these negative energy and bring more positive balance energy into your life. Now we're going to start at a cross-legged position. Root down through your sitting bones. Rise up through your spinal column. We're going to ground our roots using some breath work here. Inhale, open up your arms to a T and bring your hands onto your shoulders. We're going to do this for around 10 to 20 times. Inhale through your nose and bring your arms and knees up. Exhale through your mouth and release. Keeping your back nice and tall. On your last one, go ahead and pause for a second. Inhale, rise up your arms. Exhale, bend to the side and form a C. Inhale, arms up again. Exhale, bend to the other side. Inhale, both arms up again. Exhale, bring your arms down to 90 degrees. Inhale, up. Exhale, back to cactus. Inhale, up. Exhale, back to cactus. Now come down onto all fours, coming to a tabletop position. Hands right underneath your shoulders, knees right underneath your hips. Keep your toes tucked. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, look up. Drop your belly, coming to a cow position. Synchronize your movement with your breath. Whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and lift your bum up to the sky, coming to a downward facing dog. Go ahead and pedal your feet left and right, left and right. Relax your neck, your jaw, soften your elbows. Inhale, look up and walk to the top of your mat. Grab onto your opposite elbows, sway from left to right, right to left. Let it loose. Keep a generous bend in your knees. Go ahead and release your arms. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale all the way down. Inhale all the way up. Gather your strands of thoughts and bring it to the front of your heart. Exhale, bring your left leg back at a 45-degree angle. Inhale, bring your arms up. Relax your shoulders. Interlace your fingers if you want. pointing both your index fingers to the sky. Exhale, mini back bend. Make sure your front knee is right on top of your ankle. Inhale, take the curve on your back away and bring your back foot to the front. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, onto the other side. Right foot back. The back foot is pointing 45 degrees to the edge of the mat. Arms up. Interlace your fingers if you want. Relax your shoulders and come to a mini back bend. Inhale, bring your back foot to the front. Come back to mountain pose. Inhale, arms reach to the sky, and exhale, open up your arms to a T and twist to your left. Strong arms, purposeful fingers. Inhale, rise up, and exhale, twist to the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms up, and exhale, bring your palms together. Humble your gaze, bring your palms right in front of your heart. Inhale, reach up again, palms together, bring it in front. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands in front. Last one, inhale, reach up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, all the way down. Bring one foot to the back. Match it with the other. Coming to a plank position. Exhale, keep your elbows close to your rib cage and slowly lower down. Inhale, up dog. Look up. Exhale. Bring your bum back. Coming into child pose. Ground your forehead onto the earth. Or even you can sway from side to side and massage the space in between your eyebrows. Inhale, slowly curl up vertebra by vertebra. The last thing that's going to come up is your head. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me on Tunnel Mountain. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on my next video. Namaste.